आपके हिसाब से सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? मनी, पैशन, मे बी गाइडेंस या मेंटरशिप? आई थिंक इन सब के अलावा सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है रेस्टलेसनेस। Hello, my co-book readers. I hope you all are doing good and are safe at home. I know I've been away for almost a month, but I'm back with another book review, and I hope this one will help you strive harder and become successful in whatever you do. Welcome to Money Talks Unscripted. I'm Pallavi. I know these are extremely challenging times and it may really seem very difficult to stay motivated. But you know what? You need to hear this story if you are at your lowest. हो सकता है आपको लगता हो कि आपकी फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स, फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज, इमोशनल स्ट्रेस खत्म नहीं हो रहा है। देन माय डियर फ्रेंड, दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। आज जो बुक मैंने पिक की है, इट्स अ बायोग्राफी रिटन बाय अनिल राय गुप्ता, हु इज द सन ऑफ फाउंडिंग चेयरपर्सन एंड मैन बिहाइंड द सक्सेस ऑफ ब्रांड वी नो टुडे एज हैवेल्स। हैवेल्स का नाम सुन के आपके माइंड में क्या इमेज बनती है? आप चाहे तो गूगल कर सकते हैं। फैंस, Rajesh Khanna, or maybe wires that don't catch fire, or maybe switch gears. शॉक लगा, शॉक लगा, शॉक लगा. Such is the brand rate. अच्छा, अब आप गूगल कर सकते हैं the number 1 electrical goods company in India. I can bet it has to be Havells. But in this video, we're not going to talk about the brand, but the man behind the brand, कीमत राय गुप्ता और QRG. आपके हिसाब से सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? मनी, passion, maybe guidance या mentorship. QRG used to say खाज होनी चाहिए to grow and succeed. Today's video is an attempt to capture the life and times of QRG, so please watch it till the end. If you like the content, do subscribe to Money Talks Unscripted. QRG is one of the first generation entrepreneurs of India जिनके बारे में बहुत ही कम लोगों को पता है, क्योंकि कोई वेब सीरीज या मूवी तो बनी नहीं उनके ऊपर ताकि एम्पलीफाई हो जाता कि इतना जबरदस्त बिजनेसमैन था कोई इंडिया में। लेकिन आई एम हियर एंड थ्रू दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू मोर अबाउट QRG. From the point QRG got into business to his ambitious buyouts that brought Havells into the global picture, from his physical ailments to his corporate battles, everything is so inspiring about him. QRG got a chance to manage his uncle's electrical goods shop in Old Delhi's Bhagirath Palace, which is a wholesale market for electronics. He was so impressed by QRG's enthusiasm that his uncle made him an equal partner in his trading business, and this is how he became a trader in 1958. Everything was going fine. Trading business Gupta Ji and Company was doing well, but then came friction. QRG business को बड़ा करना चाहते थे, पर उनके uncle PC Gupta, he was quite satisfied with the moderate growth which the business was witnessing. But eventually both of them split and QRG had to pay him a good amount of money, which left him with just rupees 10,000 to start his own business. क्या हुआ होगा? PC Gupta worked as a trader till the end of his life, while QRG went on to become a successful businessman, building the brand called Havells across the globe with a current market cap of over 62,000 crores. QRG acquired the brand Havells from Haveli Ram Gandhi, who is also the grandfather of fashion designer Rohit Gandhi. QRG की approach business को लेके बिल्कुल different थी. He believed that if you have a good relationship with your dealers and if you have a strong network, it really benefits your brand. क्योंकि QRG खुद भी एक trader रह चुके थे, he knew what the personal bonding between the dealers can do to your brand. QRG said अगर आप डीलर को खुश रखेंगे तो वो आपका ब्रांड जरूर पुश करेगा. Now imagine a customer walking into a shop where there are 2-3 brands or maybe more, and he recommends a particular brand because he has good relationship or good bonding with the brand owners. He is more likely to recommend brand XYZ. Havells ब्रांड जरूर पोटेंशियल रखता था, लेकिन by the time QRG ने उसे खरीदा, इसकी प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी काफ़ी गिर चुकी थी एंड ड्यू टू द प्रीवियस ओनर्स पर्सनल इश्यूज दे वर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज फर्दर. लेट 60s में गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स ने हैवेल्स को ब्लैकलिस्ट भी कर दिया था. इमेजिन ये सब जानने के बाद भी QRG ने इतना बड़ा रिस्क लिया. उन्होंने हैवेल्स को खरीदा और उसे टॉप पर भी लेकर आए. 1983 में हैवेल्स ने लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी टावर्स एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स को खरीदा एंड टर्न्ड इट अराउंड विद इन अ ईयर. 1997 और 2001 के बीच में हैवेल्स ने कई ब्रांड्स खरीदे लाइक ECS, ड्यूक, एर्निक्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रिकल्स एंड क्रैबट्री। फिर अप्रैल 2007 में QRG ने अपनी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा और सबसे एम्बिशियस स्टेप लिया। उन्होंने अपने से 2 गुना बड़ी कंपनी सिल्वेनिया लाइटिंग को खरीदा। Havells acquired the lighting business of a Frankfurt-based company, Sylvania, a global leader in the lighting business, and now for the first time in its history, the company's turnover exceeded $1 billion. इस बड़े एक्विजिशन के तुरंत बाद आया recession of 2008, but QRG never lost hope. Sales were going down, company was suffering, but then QRG gave a target to the author and his son Anil Rai Gupta, who was also the current chairperson and managing director of Havells India, and he was able to turn it around. This was the kind of confidence that QRG showed in his management. अगर अभी तक आपको QRG की स्टोरी में कुछ भी इंस्पायरिंग या एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नहीं लगा, तो प्लीज ध्यान से सुनना. I'm going to drop some truth bombs. QRG was born in a small city called Mallarkotla in Punjab, Sangrur district, and he had no prior experience of doing business. He learned everything by experience. QRG was buying Havells and setting up his manufacturing units. He was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis in 1975, which later caused him dry eye syndrome, which makes it very difficult for a person to face strong lights and dust. And any amount of dust that goes inside the eye causes extreme pain. QRG always battled with physical problems, but he never let that affect his work. He had his first tryst with sepsis in late 2001, and he had to be treated for almost 3 years. Remember, his company was buying all these brands around the same time. But unlike other corporate setups, QRG was directly involved in all the deals. Because of rheumatoid arthritis and lung disease, he was on steroids for the rest of his life, which caused him osteoporosis. It's a condition where the bones become extremely weak and you're more prone towards fracture. There's an incident in the book where QRG was about to take a flight and he dislocated his right shoulder. Guess what he did? He visited a doctor, got it fixed, and he took the next flight. There's another incident where he again dislocated his shoulder, and his wife and the author's mother, Vinod Gupta, she was also present there. She asked everyone to form a human curtain. She quickly fixed the shoulder back into the socket, and QRG addressed a delegation of almost 400 dealers as if nothing had happened. Can you beat that? Financial difficulties, physical illness के अलावा और क्या चीज़ है जो हमें काम करने से रोकती है? Emotional stress? Well, QRG went through 3 family separations in the business, and he handled all of them with dignity. First one was with PC Gupta, his uncle, before he bought Havells. Second, with his younger brother Surinder Gupta, and third and the most painful was with his elder son Ajesh Gupta. इन सब चीज़ों के बावजूद QRG worked till his last days. He passed away on November 7, 2014. This book was published in 2016. It has some amazing anecdotes and QRG's rustic phrases. I'll leave you with one of his favorite quotes. जो लाहौर फुद्दू वो सब जगह फुद्दू. One who cannot succeed in a thriving market like Lahore, one of the largest in pre-independence India, cannot succeed anywhere else either.